Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will move to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you should just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.